Every week I hear the same question. Can data analysts really become AI product managers? Yes, it's possible. Dozens of analysts I have mentored have done it. And in this video, I will show you the 6-month roadmap they followed to achieve it. Hi, I'm Sagar Nikam. I started my career as data analyst, building Excel-based reports. And from there, I upskilled into AI product management to my current product leadership positions. I have guided over thousands of professionals into AI PM jobs at startup and big tech companies. And this 6-month roadmap is built from what actually works and not just theory. So, let's dive in. Step 1 is mindset. Shift from analyst thinking, like reporting what happened, to product thinking, deciding what to build and why. So next time, whenever you get a new dashboard request, stop. Identify the end user. Deep dive to find pain points or goal they want to achieve, and then build your dashboard with this added context. Your mindset should shift from just building reports or dashboard to focusing on decisions and value delivered by it. Start following 3 to 5 AI PMs on LinkedIn and YouTube. Read product books like Inspired by Marty Kagan. By the end of month 1, you should be able to understand and practice the mindset shift from executor to strategic decision maker. Now learn how products are built, measured and shipped. Take product crash course. There are plenty of free courses available online. And if you need detailed list of courses, comment AIPM courses and I will email it to you. Start learning and applying frameworks like MVP, minimum viable product, or OKRs, roadmap, or start writing product requirement documents, which is also known as PRDs. Analyze 3 AI tools and how they solve the problems. You should start posting on LinkedIn on product teardown. By end of month 2, you should have completed 1 product crash course and can outline AI tools and how they solve the problems. Month 3 builds your confidence in AI. Start learning large language model, Gen AI, traditional AI, follow prompt engineering resources and start writing your own prompt library. You should continue doing product teardown, but this time focus on how AI is used in that feature or product, like models, prompt, guardrail. You should start understanding concepts like RAG, MCP, agentic AI. These are currently trending in AI. And also I would suggest add a quick module on responsible AI, biases, fairness, GDPR. That really helps. By end of this month, you should have a strong foundation of AI and can write optimized prompt for yourself to get desired output. In month 4, take 1 AI use case and write mini PRD for it. Interview your friends or users to understand how they use AI or don't use AI. Reframe your data dashboard request to build an internal product with stakeholder and success metrics. Start prototyping your AI features. By end of month 4, you should have a simple prototype and 1-page PRD describing it. Now month 5. This is where you start building your portfolio and also start exploring internal opportunities. Create 2 case studies. One tear down of existing AI product and other one is original product idea what you have from idea to prototype. Start publishing on LinkedIn or writing blogs on Medium or Substack. Also speak with your manager and leaders. Share your aspiration to become AI PM. You can also come up with internal product or AI ideas and present it as a PRD to your leadership. By end of this month, you should have at least 1 public case study on AI product management and have gained confidence to freely talk about AI. And finally, month 6, which is where you focus on networking, interview, and start applying for your role. Update your LinkedIn headline, for example, data analyst to building AI products. Send 10 personalized messages per week to PMs and start conversation. Don't just ask for referrals. Apply to PM role mentioning Gen AI, NLP, LLM, agentic AI. And also start practicing for interviews, like interview questions focusing on metrics, prioritization, and AI product sense. By end of month 6, you are actively looking for role as AI PM and must have practiced lots of mock interviews. So finally, you don't need Stanford, you don't need code or your own models. With focus, about 5 hours a week, you can shift from data executor to AI decision maker in 6 months. I have put this roadmap, templates and checklist for you to track in next 6 months. And to get it, just subscribe to this channel and comment AIPM. If you find this helpful, like the video and subscribe to this channel to stay ahead on AI and product management.